So here we're gonna unbox our new Google Home Mini. Charcoal. Ayan, bubuksan na natin siya. Tada! It's so nice. Oh, medyo tama lang. So, yung ilalim niya parang rubberized siya. Switch. Power ba to? Ay, parang mic. Mic. Ito yung parang mini USB din siya. Micro USB. I think. Ayan, tetestingin natin siya guys Okay. Let's get started. What's this? Ito na. Just start with okay Google. Okay? Ito yung sabi nila yung disadvantage lang din. Not naman disadvantage talaga, pero yung parang siguro yung mas madali between Google and Alexa is that pagka uutusan mo si Google, parang kailangan mo pa sabihin, hey Google, hey Google. Unlike pag kay Alexa, Alexa lang. Ito parang, hey Google. Kailangan pa hey Google Oy, ang cute nung ano niya, saksakan niya. Mabigat ha. Cute, nice. Meron pa ba? May something pa ba dito sa lalim? Walay na, walay. Okay. So, let's put it back. So, kailangan tabi muna natin yung box kasi hindi pa natin alam kung gumagana siya para pwede pa natin siyang ma-refund kung hindi siya okay. So, here, we're just gonna remove this. So, hindi ko na siya tatanggalin para may pang organize tayo ng wire. Yan. So, idadaan ko siya dito sa ilalim ng PC ko.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
May ano siya guys napapanood ko lang. Volume. Hala, hindi ko na alam paano ibalik. Hala, nahinaan ko siya. Ayan. Hey Google. Hala. Ayun. Parang wala kasing nakalagay kung saan yung volume guys. Ayun lang ang problema ko. Kasi meron siyang touch something dito. Wala man lang siya nakalagay like kung saang side o ano. Siguro palatandaan mo na lang yung wire. Sa kaliwa yung So here are the instructions. So if you tap right, volume up, maximum. Long press play, long press play, play pause. Mic switch, andun yun sa ibabaw. Okay. Hey Google, what time is it?
11:56 p.m.
Lakas ng audio, ang ganda, no? Hey Google, how's the weather tonight?
Right now in Imus, it's 27 and cloudy. Tonight, the forecast is around 26 with showers.
Imus. We're not in Imus, we're in Bacor. No? Let's see. I-connect pa natin siya sa TV. Tingnan natin kung connect natin siya sa Tingnan ko nga. Hey Google, please play Bohemian Rhapsody on my phone.
I can't do that here, but you can ask me to play it on one of your other devices.
Paano yun? Like, togo mo galawin yung upuan. Paano kaya siya magpe-play ng audio? Hey Google, please play Bohemian Rhapsody on Spotify.
Your Spotify account needs to be linked first. You can do that in the Google Home app.
Nalink ko na, di ba, kanina? Loko ka. Already linked. Hey Google, please play Bohemian Rhapsody on Spotify.
Playing albums is only available to Spotify Premium subscribers. But give this Spotify Bohemian Rhapsody, the original soundtrack station, a listen.
Ang arte naman. Hey Google, stop.
Hey Google, you suck.
Sorry to hear that. What needs to be improved?
Oh, grabe. Ang sama.
Sorry,
This is
I didn't
Matt
get
from
that.
Security
What's
Bank.
your
Can I have
feedback?
your name, please?
Hey Google, please turn garage light to red.
Alright, changing the garage to red.
Excuse me, Togo. Excuse me, Togo. Ay, si Nia, Epal. Kita ulit. Hey Google, change garage light to blue.
Alright, changing the garage to blue.
Nice. Atom, Togo, come. Togo, up na. Hey Google, please set my alarm to 6:30 a.m.
6:30 a.m. Set.
Hey Google, please set another alarm at 6:50 a.m.
6:50 a.m. Set.
Diggs, yung song.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Play I Can't Leave My Room.
I Can't Leave My Room by Nalba and Chevy. Sure. Playing on Spotify.
Sorry.
Hey Google, please turn on fan.
Alright, turning
Hey
on the
Google,
fan.
turn off fan.
Got it. Turning the fan off.
Hey Google, can you beatbox?
I've been waiting for you to ask.
Hey Google, please beatbox again.
You want more? You got it.
Oh yeah. Hey Google, stop. So there's our quick review on the Google Home Mini, And thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!